Hey guys, this is Pooja from Health and Media, and in today's video, I'm going to discuss one of my clients' Facebook ads result, which came to be very interesting. I'll discuss how we were able to achieve this kind of performance. Not only that, I'll make you understand what's the strategy, targeting, and optimizations that we did to make these results possible. So this video is focused more on the real data and real outcomes, so you can clearly see what well-structured and properly optimized Facebook ads can deliver for your business. So before we get into this video, if you are a dental professional managing or owning a clinic and want to scale with a predictable, high-quality patient leads, then you can book a free strategy call with me. So without any further delay, let's get started. So on your screen, if you can see, that's my client's Facebook Ads Manager. And here we structured the campaign with two ad sets to test performance. Now together, these ad sets are generated around 100 leads with a spend of roughly around 340 bucks. And the average cost per lead is about 3.4 bucks. Don't you think that's a really good result? Why? Because if you are generating leads at this much cost, that means your ads are aligned with the patient intent, your offer is clear, and your targeting audience is correct. And that's why you are getting positive responses from the audience. Also, if you can see here, we have healthy CPM, which is below 10 bucks. And that means my client is paying only 9 bucks to show his ads 1,000 times. And don't you think that's really cheap? And that could only be possible when your audience targeting is well defined. And not only that, your ad creative should be relevant and the campaign structure should be optimized. Because when your ads resonate with the right audience, only then the platform rewards it with more efficient delivery. Now the next metric is CTR, which is click-through rate, and here we got 1.32% CTR, which is considered as good or healthy. Also, it shows that the audience is engaging with the ad at a solid rate. They are not ignoring the ads. Finally, we have frequency, which is 1.48, and that is ideal. And it tells like people are not seeing the ads repetitively or too many times, but you are actually getting the fresh audience. So that's all about the key metrics and overall results of this campaign. This suggests that the targeting, creative, and offer, when all these are aligned correctly, then the performance follows. And if you would like to see how this could work for your clinic, then you can book a strategy call with me. And now comes the most important part, like how we achieved this result. And this is where the most people get it wrong. Results like this are not achieved by luck, and they don't come from a simply running ads without a clear strategy. So in this case, my client ads account wasn't new. It has historical data which helped Facebook to understand who clicks, who convert, who fill forms. And with time, Facebook algorithm becomes smarter and cost for the ads reduces or come down. Along with this, we also tested multiple ads with different offers, different messaging, ad creatives, formats to see which ad performed well. So we kept only those ads that worked for us and removed the rest. Here, our goal wasn't to show ads to everyone, but to show ads to the right age group, right location, and people most likely to take action because that improves lead quality and keep the cost low. And one piece of advice from my side, that never use complicated terms and confusing promises. The ads should focus on one problem, one solution, and one clear action because clarity always convert better than creativity alone. Result like this don't come overnight. It requires consistency in running ads, analyzing performance, and improving creatives. So if you want to understand whether your ads can perform like this, you can reach out to me for a discussion. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.